How Enterprise has helped our business most is in that branding. I think for many years we were running our vehicles 10, 12, as long as they would stay on the road, we would keep them on the road. And the amount of maintenance that we had to do on that back end of those vehicles was something that we were never tracking. And that was brought to our attention early on with Enterprise, and we've really seen that change. And I think our people are very proud of the vehicles that they're driving out there. They look great, they operate well, they're giving us better fuel mileage, and I think overall changing the brand or maintaining the high standard of brand that we have for ourselves.
Perrick is a full-service general contracting firm. We provide construction management and design build services. Perrick has a fleet of about 40 to 50 vehicles at any given time. I think it was about 5 years ago we started working with Enterprise. It was a conscious decision to get away from focusing on managing a fleet back to managing construction projects.
Enterprise Fleet Management brings to the table acquisition, resale and remarketing, risk management, maintenance and repair. They handle that all for us. I would say that they saved us approximately 8 to 10%, so I know what the value is.
If anyone asked me, should I use Enterprise Fleet Management for my business, I would enthusiastically tell them yes. I think probably the biggest tangible to me personally is I don't give fleet management a thought. We can now focus on building just the buildings.